I heard a new propaganda statement today that says, in this day and age, it's hard to find folks that want to be police officers. Makes me wonder, why is that? Well, maybe it's because police aren't being taught the First Amendment, but the people are. And now these so-called sovereign citizens, well, at least that's what the police like to label you if you know the Constitution. People are standing up for themselves, and they're recording police and letting them know, hey, you can't violate my rights. Well, now it makes sense, folks. In this day and age, it's hard to be a police officer. You guys go subscribe to this newer channel. Let them know I sent you. I'll see you over there.
Get you checked out to
That's
make
it.
sure
We
you're
want to bring you
okay.
to the hospital. We're not arresting you. We're not talking about lawyers. We're not talking about DAs. Nothing like that. This is different than the last time. We just need to bring you to the hospital.
So how can you get back through this? Do you have the authority to break this?
The SWAT team does, yes.
Okay, so let's get the SWAT team do it,
but
and I would like to videotape it and take it to the judge on Tuesday.
Okay, but
because that will be good for the judge to see it.
Sir, this isn't the building calling us.
I don't know who did it, but that's what I want.
but
It's
again-
not what you want, it's what I want. I have to be the one to get up, right? Not you.
So this is all I'm asking you to do. Just to make it easier for you, us. It saves you a lot of work, just to be honest, and it makes you look a lot better as if you just come willingly to the hospital.
I know, but I already been through this volunteer nonsense,
Yeah.
and it
what
doesn't work.
What happened?
The only thing, they dismiss me out for them to start all over again.
Okay.
That's all it's been. It's been 20 of them since May 2nd.
I don't know who is doing that because we haven't been here.
I know, but it's been quite of them. So you need to figure it out who is doing it, because I don't know.
We say this all the time on my channel, folks. Do not talk to police and do not answer your door. There's no reason for that.
Right now, sir, it's us, and based on our visualizations.
Well, I don't know, because the last time that I listened to all of you, I end up getting arrested, and then it end up getting dismissed.
Sir, we're not arresting you.
Well, I know. You said that you're not. But then before that, you took me to the whatever psychiatric, and they said, and they released me. So how many times do you think that they are going to go through this? So just do what you have to do. I just gotta deal with my life. Sorry.
One thing that I want to point out, folks, is absolutely do not apologize to police if you're doing nothing wrong. They get off on that. Police are always trying to get you to speak so that they can charge you with something. Do not answer questions to police, folks. Take the Pop Brothers' advice and shut the fuck up. Don't say nothing. Hey, guys, know your rights. When police ask you questions, what do you do, bro?
You shut the fuck up.
Damn right. Don't even answer your doors. You guys have property rights as well. There are 5 elements to the First Amendment, and if you guys don't know them, push the subscribe button right now because you're gonna learn them. You have a freedom of speech, freedom of religion, freedom of the press, freedom to assemble, and freedom to petition your government. Learn them, do not forget them, use them. If you're being accosted by police, pull out your phones and record, upload it to YouTube, send your video links to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'll take a look at it and we'll put them on blast. We'll send the court of public opinion over to your channel. One more thing before you guys go. We're seeing a backlash. Police don't like to be recorded, but that's not going to stop the people. Reason being, the people are resilient. Police have guns and all we have is cameras, and they're acting like they're afraid of the cameraman. It makes absolutely no sense, folks. I can go on and on and on. You guys already know. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. Go subscribe to this channel. Links will be in the description and in the pinned comment. Have a blessed day, folks.